We are on the hunt for the rarest, most renowned, and most elusive waterfalls in the world.
Here, at the very top of the planet, deep in the Arctic Circle, these magical ice waterfalls run straight off the glacier's surface into the ocean and will be a whole new kayaking experience.
You want the kayak?
Yeah.
And then go.
What?
There are several challenges to overcome before we can even think about running them. But
First, we have to find them.
first we travel to the very top of Norway and mainland Europe, and from there we headed north to the remote islands of Svalbard, deep inside the Arctic Circle. We have just left the world's most northerly town, Longyearbyen, and are now sailing even further north aboard this polar research vessel.
Oh, that one's speeding. Oh my god.
We are aiming for the uninhabited glacial islands in the east. We have a rough idea of where they will be, but we don't know for sure what we're gonna find.
Into the fog. Wow, it's so thick. It's impressive that Captain Benny can sail through this. He's the man.
If something go wrong, it's me to blame.
Where's the wall?
Are you? No, but this is not the wall.
Bro, that's the wall.
It's there. Look at that.
There.
The wall, right? There. Woohoo!
That's the wall right there. Finally, we're here. Wow. Qué loca esta.
But it's quite high, yeah?
Yeah,
It's way bigger than I thought.
it's quite high.
Quite high. So, like today, we just look and try and find the waterfall. Then we try and find a way to access ice safely.
Imagine this happens when we're there.
We just saw a big piece of ice fall down and it created this huge wave. And you start thinking, what if it's us down there? When we go out, we'll be sometime down there, so oh, scary. That was a big piece. We really need to take a look from close with the small boats. I'm sure we'll find nice waterfalls. Wow. Man, see how the water has made its way.
Fall anytime, huh?
Yeah, I hope it will come down eventually. It's
Pretty, but
It's scary,
yeah,
huh?
that's good. We're looking for lots of water, high rated at the bottom, and that provides us soft landings. There's lots of waterfalls. It's just hard to find them with enough water.
Hay más chorrito.
no, es muy poquito.
Yeah, small and sketchy. There's about 160 k's of cliff, so we'll keep looking. I'm sure we'll find something good.
No es tan
Oh
grande.
my god! Woo-hoo-hoo. This is perfect.
¿Eh?
Wow, that's amazing.
So I really think we might just have found the most beautiful waterfall I've ever seen. And now the main thing is just getting up there. We found this other place where the ice wall is way lower. It's a good access point, way easier than up there where the waterfalls are.
The ice wall is much larger here, probably about 20 meters, so we can't get any closer. And we are going to have to walk almost 10 k's across the ice. Our guides have come up with a pretty smart plan to get up to the ice, but now we need to check with our Captain Benny and see if he's okay with that. Fingers crossed.
Was it this waterfall you were thinking about?
Oh, the one on the bow, if possible.
Yeah, we will make it somehow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you happy if we go many?
Yeah, yeah. Snow roses without sticks.
Alright, so now the plan is to get a ladder up to the ice. Philip will get up the ladder, set up a rope, and from there he'll be able to pull us up. So it's dangerous to be under the ice, so we gotta do it quick and get out of there as fast as possible.
From what we have scouted on the drones, it doesn't look like it will be easy. So we will need to be prepared for river crossings, crevasses, and much more. On top of our usual kayaking gear, we have a lot of specialist equipment for this task. Ice climbing equipment, supplies, GPS radios, polar bear protection, and a ladder.
Go light, they said. Didn't happen.
What is the distance now over to the ice?
10 meters closing. So distance 5 meters closing. Distance 3 meters closing. Captain, hit the rubber touching in the forward.
But are you happy if we go now?
Yeah, and if you are happy with that, we can try.
Looks good, Billy.
Yeah, now it's good now. They will play now.
And then when he's up, we take the ladder away. Okay. We back out.
Now we can go back out to sea, Benny. I'm coming down now.
Now it's time for us to get up there. There's a ladder set up, Phil is on top and he's gonna belay us. From there we're gonna hike all the way to the waterfall, and if it looks good then we're just gonna drop in and hike down the waterfall. It's on now, no turning back.
Ready to receive. Climber.
Okay, we are going.
Good luck, guys.
Very happy, I don't have to claim. Oh, jump.
Finally, it's happening, huh?
We are in the ice. How's that?
I'm gonna go a couple meters and see how it is.
Yeah.
I think it's not gonna be pleasant, but it'll work. I'm pretty sure nobody has done that before.
The trip of many firsts.
Yeah.
Alright, back in the ice. Yep.
Only myself, Alish, and Philip will be going, so we can move faster.
I can help you out with the ladder.
This ladder is heavy.
Yeah. Thank you. Alright then. One done. One done. Many more to go.
That will take a long time. All this crack in the ice.
Yeah, I think maybe 4 or 5 hours.
Yeah. If they do 8 kilometers like that on 4 or 5 hours, then they are fast. Now they were moving 10 meters. How many you have?
I help you. He is dancing.
Yeah. Super. Nice expedition just to get to the waterfall.
Ew, interesting. This is the first big river that we have to cross. Phil is walking up. Looks like there's a good spot there. It takes time. Many rivers to cross. We've probably crossed over 30 by now, so probably as good as it gets, I think. All right.
Step by step, eh?
At least we didn't bring it for nothing.
Yeah, buddy. Like you see, this is not too big, and it still took us some time. So
Okay, let's roll and
yeah. From there. Yeah, I'll jump into the shallow part.
Good morning.
Way too shallow. Jump in the middle, better.
all right.
Yeah, it's not over.
I hate this ladder.
So, Penny, that's for you. Oh man, if we end up making it, and I think we'll have to name this waterfall Philip's Ladder.
Daniel is struggling a little bit.
Oh, I fucked up. Just keep smashing.
Philip, Aaron,
Yeah, Aaron, go ahead.
what is your ETA onto the front, you think?
We are, I think, about a couple hundred meters away from the river, but quite high up. Stand by. I will have a chat with Anjol and Aleix quickly.
Copy that.
Well, I can check it right now. Scouting for lazies. We're not sure what river are we supposed to drop in. It's a mess of 1,000 rivers. Therefore, we're gonna have a quick scout and make sure we're on the right one. We need to make sure we get the right river here. There is a huge maze, and we don't want to end up going the wrong direction and off the wrong part of the cliff. Yeah, I think the boat is that thing.
But this must be it. One of them.
This gotta be it. It's like too much. Yeah, that's a boat. So yeah, this is the big river.
Yeah.
Finally, we're here. Goes really fast. It's bigger than I thought and way more complex. The entrance is tricky and actually pretty scary. Not easy, but it's beautiful. It looks so incredible. It's almost better for me to stop. Do I need a radio to let them know, or you'll be there?
We'll be there.
Yeah, we
you
will
give
be
them the
both
heads
there
up.
too. We'll both be there.
Yeah.
All right, Phil. Thank you so much.
No worries. Good luck. Enjoy it. Be safe, yeah?
Thank you, guys.
Aaron, Philip,
Yes, Philip, go ahead.
Anjol will get ready and they'll give you a countdown of 5 seconds before the drop.
Yeah.
I'm ready.
Anjol dropping in 5, 4, 3, 2.
Okay, on yours approaching the left.
Ah, man.
It's the most scary part of
Yeah.
everything.
Y'all has readied out. I repeat, on y'all has readied out.
My pulse is going up.
This time, we're waiting.
Hey guys, all good down there? Yeah, perfect drop for the guys on the top.
What are you gonna say to that? You can't say anything about that. Oh, it's amazing.
Now all of you guys been so thankful for your help and feel it. He deserves. I don't know. He's a man, huh?
Philip's ladder.